I'm Ronnie.
I'm Abby.
We're from Kansas City, Missouri, and we're getting a big shout out to
the Big Jackpot. Woo!
There you go, Scott.
All right.
So you
Ready?
spin.
Yeah, you spin.
Your card's in there, but
Oh,
that's fine.
Yeah, get it going. You know what? We'll do a little live on Instagram.
Yep, and the food will be ready right at 9. So, and all the people that sent me a message on Facebook, I am getting to all of them.
Hey, Brian, I'll give you a little spoon.
Oh, yeah.
You want the handle?
Well, I was gonna see if Lacey could take a couple intros of me. I did my intros. Nice.
We'll go do that real fast, and we'll do this in
260. I could do a couple.
All right. Come on. Just takes one. Ugh.
Come on, let's go.
All right, something coming.
Whoa.
There we go. Nice.
250.
That's a good one. Yeah.
450, 550.
There we go.
Start. Another $25.
All right, come on. Some nice ones to start. Let's keep it going.
So 75.
Holy crap, the grand's 28,000 on this?
Is it?
George, $2 super chat. Late to the party, but hope it's been going well. Been up and down tonight.
One more.
Not too bad. Ah. All right. St. Carl, $2 super chat. Max that volume. It is maxed out. Not bad. 725. Doesn't go any higher.
There we go.
It's a nice little bonus.
Yeah. There we go.
Ooh, there we go. All right. That's a good one.
140. Thought it would be a little bit more than that. Two
Two more.
It's a big grand for this.
That's why I said 28,000. That seems way out of whack. Either it hasn't hit for a long time or it started a lot higher.
Two more.
Ah.
Good.
All right, there we go.
85.
All right, go on, bonus.
Good luck.
Oh, the whole screen of Juanas. Yeah. I can't believe how high this grand is.
Wow, it's 28. I even, wow, you don't see
Yeah.
it that high. You see
Yeah.
like 15, 17, 18 sometimes.
All right. If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram yet, make sure you do. The Big Jackpot on Instagram.
One more.
Oh, so close.
I do like the bonus in this game, how that whole thing fills up.
Yeah. I wouldn't know. I haven't seen it.
Well, they have this in Deadwood, so
I know.
Matt said he's in when we go to Deadwood.
nice. Maybe sometime early December, I'm guessing, or
I'm going to Vegas on the 10th.
for that weekend for a slot tournament at Venetian.
We'd be going on a Monday, Tuesday, probably.
I'm going. There's a slot tournament at Venetian, so I'm going.
All right.
All right. Yeah, so one
Yeah.
ticket, last
Yeah.
ticket.
Last ticket there. Hey guys, I'm the Raja, and we are live
Chiefs
on
fan.
Instagram playing some slots.
See a smart person over there, a Chiefs fan.
Come
Got a few of
on.
them now.
Yeah, there's a lot of.
Nobody wants to be a Broncos fan anymore.
Well, I talked to State Farm and I got the Patrick price, so I was
Did you?
very happy about that.
Must not have known you were a Broncos fan.
What?
Oh, you're not a Broncos fan, are you? You're an Arizona fan.
Nope. Well, I root for him because I have season tickets. but
Indianapolis.
I was a Peyton Manning fan. Wherever.
Oh yeah, that's sweet.
Dan, $5 super chat. As long as it remains open, what are your Vegas December 4th, 5th for the million point tournament at the
Definitely
Cosmo?
live play on Thursday the 3rd. After that, we don't know what your tournament schedule is yet.
Yeah. Well, we'll have live play every day. Lots of Patreon play. It's going to be big. Got the Click Father coming to join us. Don't forget, after tonight's live stream, Patreon perks on the Big Jackpot slot app. So, big thank you to all our Patreon supporters for supporting the crew.
Everybody watching, what is your favorite football team? Who do you support?
Who, me?
Everybody watching, I'd like to know who they
Oh,
are. You see those new Avalanche jerseys that came out?
No.
Yeah. They took the old Nordiques jersey, and they took all the red out, and they turned it into maroon.
So what are they going to do with all these cities shutting down? Or can the Broncos still play here? Or are they going to still have fans?
Yeah, NFL's fine. The NHL is looking about going to host cities.
Let's get that in.
Or you get the bubble. You're in the bubble for about 10 days and play like 4 to 5 games in a 10-day period. Then you go home for a week.
For the NFL?
So the NHL.
Oh, NHL.
They don't know, but January 1st is the...
I wonder, are pro sports players could be privileged and get the vaccination first? What do you guys think? George, $2 super chat. Let's go Dolphins.
That's right. So Matt...
Jimmy D, $2 super chat. Tom Brady is the GOAT. Hashtag TB12. Hashtag BOD. Hashtag Raja.
We all know Matt's favorite team is... Wow.
Oh, mine.
The Chiefs. He's a diehard fan.
Yes, I am.
Someone said the Bengals. Wow, that's dedication.
No,
I was a Colts fan for a long time, and I liked the Broncos when Peyton came. I still root for the Colts.
Want to put this in?
Yeah.
And I root for Arizona just because I like them to do well, actually.
We have to feed the turkey. It's Thanksgiving time.
But Matt, when things go back to normal and Arizona hosts Kansas City, I got some pretty good seats. You're welcome to have them.
Same with Kansas City.
When do you get your next game?
Whenever I could go right now.
Oh.
They no one. There's open seats right now.
They're not filling up?
No.
A lot.
Really?
Like Dallas right now, you can buy tickets too.
How are they not filling up in Cali? Yeah, the
Yeah, I
Chiefs
thought
are
you were
big.
taking off.
They're not because the tickets.
I thought you leave at 8:30.
Huh?
Are you going to eat with us?
Oh.
You're not gonna eat, Dean?
Well, if you want to eat, I have to go put your order in.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Scott's bad luck.
But
Here's how you go.
here's some good luck. Amber, $2 super chat. Go Giants, go. Nephew is Justin Elway, bro. Big D fan.
Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you had as much fun as I did.
Who's that talking to you, T?
It's hot.
Yeah.
There's a machine in the wall.
This is where you had the dollar storms before on this wall here.
Yeah, right there. Man, I can't believe we haven't got one bonus.
No.
What do you guys think? 3 more.
I think we need a bonus.
So tomorrow night, guys, at 7 o'clock Mountain Standard Time, we have our premiere of my challenge for MrBeast. And I need you guys to all share it, tag MrBeast, put it on his social media, let him know.
Good,
Yes,
yes.
oh, there we go. All right,
Good
finally.
numbers, too.
Let him know, guys, the Raja is looking for him. I have a challenge
300.
for him for either $100,000 or $200,000.
That's a
He likes these challenge videos, so I'm putting my money where my mouth is and challenging him. I think you guys are gonna like it. It's gonna be a lot of fun if he accepts.
Come on.
And I even have a good feeling he's going to accept because we're gonna make sure we're gonna find him. Suma, $2 super chat. Go Hawks, boom. Hashtag Raja, good fortunes. Thank you, Suma. All right, come on, 28,000, Matt. Right here.
It's due.
Wow.
One more goes for jackpot.
Oh. Stick it.
We got a
Wow.
bonus.
At least we got, yeah. At least we got something.
I guess the other slot lady's on their way up.
Melissa's on her way up. Wow. Maybe we'll have to go live on Patreon then when she gets here. All right, 500. Back to back.
Oh. If we get
Judy says, I watched the guy you had playing video poker. He was a joke. The Click Father? That's not very
He won
nice.
40,000 twice in a row.
3 times in a row. Yeah.
There we
There we go.
That's $100.
Kevin Speaks, $10 super chat. The Beast is going down. Hashtag
300.
Raja.
300.
That's a good one. Well, actually, MrBeast, my challenge to MrBeast, he has nothing but upside in. I'll either be putting out 100 grand or 200 grand. I think. Ooh, Super T says the Click Father is very hot. Alexander, you missed my super chat. Hold on. Storage Stalker, $2.99 super chat. Vegas to see the big jackpot next month. Alexander, $2 super chat. No Russell Wilson is the GOAT.
Oh, you can't believe what happened to Drew Brees. 2 cracked ribs and a
I know.
punctured lung.
Yeah. They say 3 weeks. I don't see that happening.
I don't see it. Punctured lungs don't just heal overnight.
There we go.
Oh, there we go. It's got to be 300.
150.
All right. 170.
170.
Come on. What a good one here. Go on.
Huh?
Sit down. All right, 44.40 I bet. All right, come on. Wait for these. Are those little dolphins to come across the screen? Are those double dolphins fly across this screen with good luck, good fortune? Ronnie, oh, $10 super chat. All right, come on, Dolphins. Red envelope, red envelope. Ah, so close. And the red envelope bonus is at $532 right now. Ah. Come on. Ooh, oranges, peaches. Spit coin. I think he's ready to spit coins. He's giving that look that he gives before he spits. Yes, Steve, if you get both red envelopes, you get the red envelope bonus, which is the $532 it's at.
Where do you see that bonus listed at?
The top of the machine.
Oh,
Tony, $10 super chat. Have fun. Good luck tonight. All right. This has been reset. I'll go back over this.
That's a good user.
Oh, I'm going to take my card now. Brian jinxed it. There we go. Card accepted. All right. 44.40. All right. A little something. $79. Come on. We need that bonus. We need good fortune to arrive.
That Maxi.
Hey, this little frog to spit money. Hello, Dolphins. You're the good luck Dolphins. Mike Dorman, $5 super chat. Can't wait to meet you in January at the Hard Rock Tampa. The remodeling will be over with tomorrow. Big celebration on Thursday. Awesome. Can't wait to see it. Yeah, they've been working on it for a long time.
I think it's cool. It's all like a big guitar now, right?
Yeah.
They redid?
Yeah. They built it there and also in Fort Lauderdale. They built guitar towers at both of them, I think. Ah, all right. Zhen Chan is being stubborn. For everyone watching in Australia, it's Brian's birthday. For everyone in the USA, his birthday is 4 hours away Mountain Standard Time. So everybody can clear up the confusion in chat about Brian's birthday. All right, a couple more. Nothing. We'll move on. Zhen Chan is Zen bad.
Baby's gonna fly across the screen.
Oh. Ooh.
Tell this frog to open up.
This frog does nothing. Yeah. All right, nothing there.